back to my more important analysis videos on Friday 3rd of November with me, which market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen. Now, what we have seen last couple of days, it's a difficult candle to read, really, this one that we had yesterday, because theoretically you could argue two ways, really. You could say that that big long tail, especially with the sort of negative close, big long tail would suggest that the sellers are sort of testing the water. But you could also equally argue that the bulls fought back into the close. So there are two different ways of looking at it. But the way I'm sort of considering it is the fact that the market is still holding up. It's still sort of posting a series of higher lows, and it's sort of looking towards a test of 1450. Still holding on to the strong positive dollar bull argument. Momentum indicator still positive, 63 on the RSI. MACD line's ticking higher, and stochastics also ticking higher. So I'm taking this as still positive. And you can see here the market's basically consolidated, just buzzed around really for the last couple of days, and sort of rallying back in towards the highs again, 14. Just around that 14 figure area, 1425. This sort of looks like the market is positioning, I think, for a look at that 1450 key resistance. You could well see that that comes on payrolls today, and I'm still looking for a closing breakout above 1450 because of the importance of that move. But just moving into payrolls, I think the market is positively positioned still, and that isn't a corrective candle at all. That is still sort of a continuation of this sort of run of higher lows going in. Obviously, yesterday's low of 1350 becomes more of an important support today, certainly if you close below it. And then you've got the key support near term 1295, because below that you'd complete a little bit of a top pattern, and then again you'd sort of enter into more of a corrective near-term phase. But still, on a medium-term basis, I'm looking at an upside break in due course. But with the positive configuration of all these momentum indicators, I'd still look to buy into weakness. So, with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later. Thank you.